Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add affiliate links in your YouTube Shorts. Alright, let's get it started. So the first, let's head on to the YouTube website. So over here, as you can see, this is our website, and then this is our channel. So here I have uploaded some videos, but first we have to upload a short. So let's upload our short. What you can do is you can go over this website, and on the right hand side corner you can see the create option. What you have to do is click on this create icon and then click on upload video. After that you'll be redirected to this page. So now what you have to do is select the files from your PC. So you can select the short video that you want to add, and then you have to follow along the video next. So here you can see I have this short video that is ready to upload. So now let's select this video, and then we have some details that you can edit over here. So first, what you can do is you can add your video title. So this is our video title. You can add whatever title you like, and make sure you add some tags as well. So next, what you can do is you can add those affiliate links in your description. So you have to bring your affiliate link, copy those affiliate link, and then paste it on your description. So I don't have any affiliate links right now, so I'm just going to paste my YouTube channel's link on this description. So here, let's copy this YouTube channel and then just paste it on your description. So that's it. That is the method that you can use to add your affiliate links in YouTube Shorts. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.